when a medical crisis hits, the bills don't stop at the hospital door. Most families are shocked to learn what isn't covered by their insurance. This can include travel to specialists, supplements recommended by your doctor, access to a gym that has adaptive equipment, in-home care aids so you can go run more than one errand at a time, transportation, and even some basic hygiene supplies are not covered. These out-of-pocket expenses can quickly spiral into the thousands of dollars. So let's talk about what patients and their families can do to prepare financially. Number one, acknowledge insurance is not going to cover everything you need to get through this medical crisis. Know that up front. Number two, keep every single receipt. Take a picture, scan it, save it in an email, do whatever you got to do. Keep every receipt. Number three, work with a qualified tax professional who's going to be able to guide you correctly through what deductions you can take for your taxes. Document all of the non-covered costs and what they're for. Head over to healthcaresurvivalkit.com and go ahead and request your free 30-minute consult. My name is Kim Feth, and I'm the founder and CEO of Healthcare Survival Kit. Thank you.